Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the difference between the usage of envy and jealousy. It is fun to feel envy or jealousy because both make you feel inadequate. Envy is when you want someone else has, but jealousy is when you are worried someone's trying to take what you have. If you want your neighbor's new jewelry, you feel envy. If she or he takes your husband or wife for a ride, you feel jealousy. Envy requires two parties like you and your neighbor. Jealousy requires three parties like you, your neighbor, and your husband or your wife. You feel envy about something you don't have but want. But you feel jealousy over something you already have but are worried of losing it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.